Welcome to the Pit Stop. Today we'll be covering the Easy Wheels extension rod mounting error. Okay, you can see here the difference between this mounting and this mounting. The main difference is, see the clearance, the ground clearance between the suspension block and the ground clearance between, if you mount it correctly, the ground clearance. So from the ground clearance, if you see the side view of the bike, you'll see that the front tires, when folded, when come to moving, you'll hear the squeaking sound because it's rubbing against the floor. Here we have a very level floor. If you go onto the street is not exactly as level as our home floor. So here you will see the squeaking sound. Versus if it's properly mounted, the clearance is more. Okay, and then you see the movement is easier. Okay, where the error lies. Okay, if you see both the bike, the mounting rod here is perpendicular to the ground. It's perpendicular to the ground. Versus here, the one that has an error is actually parallel to the ground. You can see that it's parallel to the ground. Now, to redeem, to correct the error, what we have to do, we have to remove both the easy wheels, loosen the rod, and adjust it perpendicularly. Okay, I repeat myself. Loosen, okay, release two easy wheels and loosen the extension rod, and then adjust it parallel to the ground, and then remount everything and tighten it. Okay, I will show it in the next video.